All right, let's go over a couple other mass type of conversions. So we want to convert, and we're going to start off with small stuff. So let's convert grams, okay, to ounces. Now remember, a gram is the size of, say, like a paperclip, and ounce is that little medicine cup. So how many of those paper clips can we get inside the medicine cup? Well, we can get 28.35. So 28.35 grams to an ounce. Okay, how many grams then to a pound? Now remember, a pound, it's a pound of butter, which is a box of butter or 4 sticks of butter. So how much is that? Well, we would really multiply this by 16, okay, for the grams, because there's 16 ounces in a pound. But I'm going to give you that number so we don't even have to multiply. 454 grams per pound. All right. Now a ton. And notice the grams are metric. The ounce and pound, though, are part of the English system. Okay. Oops, not a metric ton. Oh yeah, a ton. And remember, this is like a small Volkswagen Beetle to a metric ton. Now, metric ton is larger, and so it's 1.1. So it's 1/10 larger. All right. Now, the next few are going to be very, very interesting. Okay. We have 200 milligrams. Okay, so remember, that's those little ants. 200 of those little ants equals what's known as CT. Now, CT is carat. And notice how carat is spelled. And this is for gems only. So we're talking about rubies, we're talking about diamonds, we're talking about sapphires, emeralds. So when we see it as little CT, that's carat for gems, and 1 carat is equal to 200 milligrams. Okay, now we also have, and I'm going to do this one. We have a big K, which stands for carat. And notice it's spelled differently. And this is by weight. Now, that one is the big K for carat is for gold. All right. And you should have more space over on this side. I'm going to write the next one down here. And what we have is question mark parts for 24. And this 24 is parts of pure AU. And that's gold. So if you have a piece of gold and it says that it is 24K, it's going to be the big K, then that means all 24 parts of that gold is, all 24 parts of it is gold, okay, out of 24, so it's 1-to-1. Now, my wedding ring, I believe, is 18K, so it's 18 parts of gold out of 24, and that means the other 6 parts are of other metals. Now, why would you want that for gold? Well, gold is very, very soft, and so you want to mix it with, say, another type of a metal, copper or silver or something, so that it gives it strength. 24 karat gold, you can very easily bend it, All right. Um, yeah, my ring's not coming off today. Okay. And our last one is CAL per pound. And cal is calories. So 3,500 calories equals 1 pound. Okay. Now, the difference in calories depends on the type of food you eat. Okay. Carbohydrate calories and protein calories are much easier to burn off, say, than fat calories. Okay. So depending on the foods that you eat, if you eat 3,500 calories, you will gain a pound. Now, that's sort of an odd misnomer as well, because it's not like 1 pound of food always equals 3,500 calories. So it's something that you do have to look at. You got to look at what's inside that food. Again, it takes, for fat type of calories, it actually takes twice the amount of energy to burn the fat calories.